Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Sheikh Faizan. Today's 18 December 2023. Today's my non-technical topic is thoughts on internet. First of all, internet it is very important thing in this modern time. We can think of a single day without an internet connection. The entire world is connected with one network, and that is internet. It has various uses and billions of people uses internet services worldwide. It has made human life very simple and easy. People can access many complex things with a few clicks. Internet stands for interconnected network. It is your network system that connects computer. Worldwide internet has a countless advantages for us. Communication is one of them. People can get connected with each other through many online platforms. It takes only a second to send a photo or text anyone anywhere to in this world. Next is for education. The purpose of internet is very useful. Students and kids can learn many things through internet. They can out their project work, online study, any information related to curriculum, exam and result and etc. Internet is every keeps an updated minute about a happening in the world. When newspaper provide the news after some hours, it enable us to do various activities like shopping, banking, paying bills, booking flights without stepping out of the house. Many people have got employment opportunity with the help of internet. Next is online jobs of freelancing, data entry, website designing, etc. are the being done by people sitting at home. We all know the advantage of internet, but there are some abuse of internet. We cannot deny the fact the internet has changes our lifestyle, but we cannot ignore the disadvantage of internet. First of all, a person spend too much time in front of computer or mobile. It may damage his eyesight. It has been observed that students are the most domain user of the internet. It's impacting on their studies and physical health. Many people also become a victim of online bank fraud and different types of cybercrime and etc. Many people spread the fake name and spread fake news of the particular person. Next is this is a become of reason for the big uh, disadvantage. That's why we need to become a careful on the internet before sharing something. In conclusion, anything in this world is neither only good or only bad. The same goes for the internet technology. It completely depends upon user how he is using it. We cannot say that internet that made our lives very comfortable as well as interesting. If we can use internet in the poor way, then we can learn many things from it and can use it for our good. Now I discuss how internet works. The internet works with the help of client and server. A device such as a laptop which is connected to the internet is called a client, not a server. as it is not directly connected to the internet. However, it is indirectly connected to the network through a internet, and the identified by the IP address, which is a string of number. Just like you have an address for your home that's uniquely identifies your home, an IP address acts as this shipping address of your device. The IP address is provided by ISP, and you can see what is IP address is given to your system. A server is a large computer that store website. It also has an IP address. A place where a large number of servers are stored is called a data center. Next is the server accept requests seen by the client thought and browser over a network. Next is uses of internet. Generally speaking, the internet may be used to exchange information with people all over the world. The communication across great distance and locate information or answer fast on the almost any subjects. Next is here the some example of specific uses of internet. First is using social media, content sharing, instant messaging, video conferencing, and telephonic communication, email, and are of the example of the electronic communication. This all the use through the internet. By using of internet, we can easily communicate with other uh, anywhere and any place. Access to the online degree programs, courses, and workshop for education and self improvement, searching for jobs, to advertise available position, submit job application, and hire candidates on social networking. For example, LinkedIn and Naukri.com and etc. The other example of internet is online gaming, online researching, reading electronic newspaper and magazine, online shopping or e-commerce. Online shopping means we can buy or purchase the goods through a internet network on the various types of website, for example Flipkart, Amazon, etc. Next is social impact of internet. Both positive and negative effect of the internet on society can be observed. On the one hand, some people claim the internet and raise the risk of withdrawal, social exclusion, alienation, and citing a rise of disadvantages. Next is some people also believe that the internet has had a opposite impact on society, increasing sociability, civic participation, and the depth of the connections. The internet has a changed how societies communicate and interact, whether the effects are positive or negative on the society. Next is the increased focus of personal growth. In one example of changes and the fall in the community that determined by space, job, and family, people increasingly now build social connection on the basis of their unique projects value, as well as internet, and by using of various types of platform like social media and other than website. By using of internet, like people through the internet and abundance of online setting. It provides the produce social networking sites like Facebook and LinkedIn are the preferred platform for the business and individual wishing to carry out various tasks and grow our business by the using of internet and etc. It is all about the thoughts on internet. Thank you.